A warm greetings to all of you. I welcome you all in this new academic year with the new beginnings. Myself is Ritu Dubey, principal of Carnations the Preschool. Carnations the Preschool have built character-based approach towards learning in 8 years, where our mission is to provide a stimulating learning environment and creative orientation across whole curricula. Our team of teachers all together always strive to provide a safe and positive learning environment. Dear parents, as we all know, it has been more than a year where we completely locked in. Hence, still we are finding the way to interact our kid and keep the school learning and progressive. So let's learn and swim all together in this crisis. Dear parents, I am sure you may have many concerns regarding your kids' online classes. But here Carnations the Preschool carefully analyzed the faced challenges and meticulously planned the class to meet our demands. Here I would like to discuss about our online classes. We are going to start our online class from 14th of June 2021. We will have 3 days in a week. We will have the class 3 days in a week. Why 3 days in a week? Because just we want to minimize the screen time for such a small kid. The session duration will be 40 minutes and we are going to use the platform of Zoom. 40 minutes we have included all the important points which is a very necessary to learning for our kid. The session we will start with the morning prayer, which is again essential skill for our kid or for us also. After that, we will have the exercise in every classes, which is again very important for keeping us healthy and fit in this pandemic. And after that, we will have the interaction session between kid and student, between kids and teachers. Interaction means maybe it's regarding the lessons, syllabus and portions and recapitulate learning, communications and encouragement, which is very important for our small one. So this is our online class, and apart from that online, we will be on offline WhatsApp classes. WhatsApp, every day our teachers will send the assignments. There will be some specific time for submitting the assignments, and parents has to get it complete the assignments and submit the same to the class teacher on the given time. So our teachers can complete their tasks on time. If any kind of help, any support is required, our teachers are always ready to support you in terms of audio, video, so our kids can learn through that. So this is our class. Now I would like to discuss about the books. Dear parents, I'm sure you must have gone through the books. The Carnations the Preschool designed the books the way parents can easily complete at home. We have term-wise book. Total 7 books are there from the Carnations and 1 Hindi is there. So one book will take to complete almost 1.5 months. And after completion of book, there will be unit assessment on the last page. So that after completion of the books, the teacher will take the assessment every month. And all the same practice will be repeat with all the books. So here we can know the progress of the kids. Apart from that, we will have the exam for our junior KG and senior KG students. Only for those classes, not for nursery, because nursery, those kids are very small and the unit assessment which they are giving, that is enough for them. We can ready the report card and progress report on that basis. Junior KG and senior KG, we are going to conduct the exam. There will be 2 terms. The mid-term exam will be there in month of November and the full term exam will be there in the month of March. Before that, our teacher will communicate and update you with the syllabus and timetable of the exams. So here, especially for the new parents, I am sure they will have many questions, many doubts regarding the online classes as they are going the first time to face this virtual school. Because our existing parents, they are very much thorough with these classes and with the books, everything. So for the new parents, I'm sure you must be having a lot of queries regarding this. So parents, with the beginning of any new things, we will have a hurdles and we will have a many question will generate in our mind. So parents, just don't worry about all these things. We are here. Carnations the Preschool is always there to communicate positively and support you always with all the aspects. So I'm sure all the students, all the kids are going to rock in their class and they are going to enjoy their session. And we are considering to working parents. I know many parents are working and they are having many issues, maybe the network connectivities, a lot of issues will be there. So considering those parents, we are planning to take the pre-recording session videos and we will share the same. So after your working hours, you can complete the online class and you can help our student through that videos. So parents, I'm sure if you have any queries, any doubts, you can feel free to talk me anytime, or you can write a mail, you can message me anytime. Many more things we are going to learn in this academic years. So I hope all the kids are going to enjoy this session and even our parents are also going to enjoy the session.